Hello and welcome back again to my YouTube channel Learn with Shirin Qazi. This is Revised Cherry Class 3 Semester 2 book. Lesson number 6, Data Representation. Warm up. A group of children visited a zoo. They made a pictograph for the animals they saw. Some group of children went to the zoo. They saw the animals and they made a pictograph. Now count the animals and complete the pictograph. Here are animals and here are numbers. Elephant. First one is elephant. Let's see in the picture how many elephants are there. Only one elephant. So write 1 here. Then giraffe. How many giraffe are there? 2 giraffe. 1 and 2. So write here 2. Then how many tigers are there? Here are the tigers. 1, 2 and 3. 3 tigers. So write here 3. Then deer. How many deers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 deers. 5 deers are there. And monkeys. Let's see monkeys. How many monkeys are there on the tree? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 monkeys are there on the tree. So here we have completed the pictograph of the animals the children saw in the zoo. Now over to 6.1. 6.1. Make a tally chart of the number of times each vowel A, E, I, O, U occurs in the statement. Maths is fun. We love it. Vowels are there in this sentence statement. Let's see. First of all, write vowel. How many vowels are there? A, E, I, O and U. 5 vowels are there. Now number of vowels in the statement. A. How many times A comes in the statement? There is only one A in the statement, so write 1 and also total is 1. Then how many E? Let's see. E, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. So 2, this is 2E. Then I, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2I. And O. Let's see O. O in the statement only one time it comes. 1. So write 1 here. Then U. U comes 1. Only one time U comes. So write 1 and 1. U also comes. So this is the tally chart. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Numbers you have to write A 1 time. So total 1. E 2 times. So write 2. Make 2 lines. Then 2. I also comes 2 times. So draw 2 lines. And then 2. Write 2 number. O also comes 1 time. U 1 and 1 time. Question number 2. The pictograph shows the number of glasses of juice sold in a stall. In a stall, the number of glasses juice sold. So 1 glass is equal to 2 glasses. Here are items: grape, apple, orange, pineapple. And here are the numbers sold. Grape sold how many times? 1 glass equal to 2 glasses. So 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 glasses. Apple 2, 4 and 5 glass because this is half. So count it as 1. 5. This is 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. क्योंकि जो 1 ग्लास है वो 2 ग्लासेस के बराबर है तो हम इसको 2 काउंट करेंगे 1 नहीं. 2, 4, 6 एंड 8. यहाँ पर 2, 4 और ये हाफ है तो 5. देन 2, 4, 6 यहाँ 7 and then 1, and 2 and 1, 3. So these are the glasses of juice. Now answer the following question. Which type of juice was sold the most? Which type of juice सबसे ज़्यादा बिका? तो that was grape. So write here grapes. Grape juice sold the most. Then second one is which type of juice was sold the least? सबसे कम कौन सा जूस बिका? पाइनएप्पल. सबसे लीस्ट 3 पे पाइनएप्पल. सो राइट पाइनएप्पल. देन व्हाट वाज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ ग्लासेस ऑफ जूस सोल्ड? पूरे जूस टोटल नंबर ऑफ ग्लासेस जूस कितने थे? लेट्स ऐड दिस ऑल. 8, 5, 7 and 3. 8 and 5, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21, 22, 23. So altogether is 23 glasses of juice were sold. So write here 23. 23 glasses of juice sold हुए total number. Then name the juice for which the number sold was equal to the sum of 2 other types. Juice जो sold हुए, ऐसा कौन सा जूस सोल्ड हुआ जो इक्वल सम ऑफ 2 अदर टाइप्स जूस में था? सो लेट्स सी. ग्रेप जो है वो 8 ग्लासेस सोल्ड हुआ. तो अदर 2 जूसेस कौन से थे जो 8 के बराबर हो? दैट वाज एप्पल एंड पाइनएप्पल. सो द आंसर इज एप्पल एंड पाइनएप्पल. एप्पल एंड पाइनएप्पल. और वो था ग्रेप जूस. दैट वाज सोल्ड. नंबर ऑफ द जूस विच वाज द नंबर सोल्ड वाज इक्वल टू द नंबर वाज एप्पल एंड पाइनएप्पल, जो इक्वल नंबर ग्रेप के बराबर सोल्ड हुआ. देन how many symbols would represent 12 glasses of juice? अगर हमको 12 glasses of juice रिप्रेजेंट करना है तो हम कितने सिम्बॉल्स उसमें हम ड्रॉ करेंगे? 6. सी 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 एंड 6. अब काउंट करो इसको. 2, 4, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 एंड 12. सो 12 ग्लासेस ऑफ जूस ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. दिस वाज द सिंबल. ऐसे आपको सिंबल ड्रॉ करना है. राइट हियर 6 ग्लासेस. नाउ a survey was conducted in a locality giving information about the language usually spoken by people in their homes. Read the tally chart. Language, number of people and total. English, number of people कितना है? 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Count this as 5 and then 6, 7, 8. So total is 8. इसको हम कैसे गिनेंगे? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Language, number of people and total. English 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. आप कैसे गिनोगे इसको? 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड दिस इज 5. इस तरीके से ये सारा 5 होता है. टेली मार्क्स 5, देन 6, 7, 8. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ पीपल स्पोक इंग्लिश 8. देन हिंदी अगेन दिस 5 एंड 1, 6. Tamil 5, 6, 7. Canada 5, 10, 11, 12. इसको 5 गिनना आप. तेलुगु 5, 6 and 7. So English, to number of people spoke English 8, then Hindi 6, Tamil 7, Canada 12 and Telugu 7. Now fill in the last column of the table and answer the following question. How many families spoke Canada at home? Canada spoke families कितने हैं? 12. 12 of the families spoke Kannada at home. Write the difference between the number of families speaking Hindi and those speaking English. So number of families speaking English and Hindi. Let's see, this is English 8 and Hindi 6. So what is the difference? You have to minus 8 and minus 6. Minus 6 from 8, that the answer is 2. So to the second question, the answer is 2. Difference between the number of families speaking Hindi and those speaking English is 2. Then, which two languages were spoken by an equal number of families? Equal number of families, कौन से दो language spoke कर रहे थे? Tamil and Telugu are the equal number of families spoke Tamil and Telugu. So right here, to C1 is, this is C1. Tamil and Telugu. Then, what was the total number of families that were considered for the survey? Now, we have to add this all. Add करना है आपको ये सब. Then you will get the total number of families that were considered for survey. 8, then 6. After 8, draw 6 line. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Then 7. After 14, 7 lines. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Then 21 के बाद 12 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. 33 and 7, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So the answer is 40 families were considered for survey. 40 families. The different types of books with Usman are given in the following table. Draw a pictograph to represent this information. Type of book: novels 9, comics 12, science fiction 8, history 5, general knowledge 3. So the key to the pictograph is 1 is equal to 4 books. This type of pictograph we will draw. Sorry. The key is 1. This is the symbol and this is represent as 4 books. So 9, for 9 we will draw this is 4, this is 4, 4 plus 4, 8 and 1, 9. Then here draw 3 symbols like this only: 4, 4 and 4. 4 plus 4, 8 and 8 plus 4 is 12. Then 8, this is 4 and this is 4, it becomes 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. Now this is 5, 4 and 1, 5. Here 3, 1, 2 and 3. So This is the pictograph of different types of books. Then over to question number 5. Observe the pictograph where one symbol represents the flowering plant. Answer the question that follow. These are items and these are number: rose, sunflower, marigold, aster and hibiscus. How many flowering plants were there in all? So count the flowers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many flowering plants were there in all? 12. 12 flowering plants. Then which type of flowering plant was the most in number? The most in number was rose. So write here rose. Then how many more sunflower plants were there than aster? The question is, how many more sunflower plants were there than aster? Sunflower plants are 3 and aster is 1. So as compared to sunflower, how many more flowers sunflower is? Are 2 than aster. So the answer is 2. Then which type of plant was the lowest in number? Is aster. Aster जो है वो सबसे कम है, lowest in number. Then which two plants were equal in number? Which two plants are equal in number? Marigold and hibiscus. Right here marigold and hibiscus. So that came to an end of lesson number 6, data representation. Hope you all understand the method of my teaching. Please write your comments in the comment section. Really need your support. If you are new in my channel, don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel Learn with Shireen Qazi.